What's going on? So today we have yet another part going in, probably one of the easiest installs you will do on your 350Z, a diff brace. Now I got this one from Turn5. He makes a really good product. There's a nice little jack point down here if your car is not too low. Now what comes with this, of course, is the brace itself, bolt, nut and washer, and this sleeve. Now this sleeve will go actually into your subframe. The bolt will go through it, so it's not just putting pressure onto the subframe, but allowing it to crimp onto this sleeve. Again, this is probably the easiest, most straightforward install, so let's get to it. Now where this brace will go is the top bolt will go through this hole here, and the bottom two will go on this bolt and this bolt of the diff. So let's get it all out and we'll start getting it on. When we're putting this together, the best way to do it, get this sleeve in here and make sure it does not fall out. Put the bolt through, get your sleeve, put it on, and then push it in there. Just like so. And before we tighten everything up, go ahead and replace the bolts back into the differential. That way everything stays lined up and you don't lose anything. Now that that's done, let's move to the back here. So get the nylon lock nut, spin the bolt, start getting it started. After that, we have a 16 and a 19. Get our wrench up on there. We just tighten it up. And just like that, it's tight. Finally come back down to the last two bolts here on the differential. There is a hole here where you can get an impact, an extension, and everything to this. But for the sake of it, I'm going to use this wrench and just get it nice and tight. Same thing with this bottom one. Since I still have the camera in the way, just use a wrench, get it nice and tightened up. And there it is, guys. Your diff brace is installed. Like I said, it's very simple, very straightforward. If you have any questions, you may contact me or Kevin at Turn5 Fabrication, and he'll tell you anything you need to know. Have a great day, guys.